Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today we're going to review the Flexiboom SIM card. Alright, this is the Flexiboom card, SIM card. What they mail you is this card right here. And this card, if you look real close, it has, I forget all the different names, mini, micro, and something else. There's 3 different SIM cards on here. And you use this to run wireless cameras like this. This can be a trail camera or a surveillance camera, whatever. But you can also use this to run other things that you need to send information to the cloud with. So I paid $6.99 for this, and that comes with 200 megabytes of storage space. This is just like a starter card. You use this to try it out and make sure that you have reception in your area and stuff. And once you're sure that this is what you want, you can refill this. It shows you how to reload, and you can also do this on the website. One thing I found on the website is that when you buy the initial card, I think there's like 4 or 5 different plans, and then just the card only. The card only is $6.99, and the plans vary in price. But if you get the card only, there's numbers on the other side. I'm not going to show them to you. They're both on the card and on this bigger card. If you enter those numbers on their website, they have different prices. I believe it's cheaper if you get this card and then enter the number and get the plan that way than to do it by buying a plan right off the bat. We'll look at that in just a second. What I'm going to do now is punch out whichever card I need. I'm not sure which one it's going to be. This outer one is the biggest one, but I believe I'm going to need the micro. There's a smaller one than that. Yeah, you're not going to be able to see this on this camera, but this is actually 3 cards right now, maybe at a little angle like that. Yeah. 3 cards all in one. I'll insert this into the camera, turn the camera on like it says, punch out the card that you need, turn on your device and wait a few seconds, and then enjoy the service. And like I said, this only has 200 megabytes of service, and then you have to reload it. And like I said, we'll check out how the service works, and we'll check out what the plans cost in just a second. For now, let's get this opened and insert the card into it. Okay, insert the SIM card. The SIM card slot is above the SD card slot. When inserting the SIM card, remember the gold contacts shall face down. All right, let me punch this micro. Is that a micro? Nano. So this must be just a SIM card, and then micro, and then nano. Let me get that punched out of there. I'm showing you the back. This has numbers on the front, and it also has a barcode here and the same numbers in a line right there. You use those to get it recharged, and I don't really want to show that on video. Oh, it just popped right out. There it is. Holy moly, that's tiny. Okay. Alright. My camera crashed, so hopefully I didn't lose anything. The only way I could get that SIM card to go in there all the way where it wanted to stay was to use the edge of the razor knife and push it in there. And it does feel like it's seated now. Let's try to turn it on. and if that fails, I'll turn it off and go outside and try it.
SIM card cannot be recognized. Please insert the SIM card correctly and restart the camera.
Okay. Let's try doing this outside. Alright. I got the red light going. And we'll open the door. There's a tower right over that way just a bit, and there's another tower that way. And if I open the door and stand here with my phone, the phone will connect. So now it's trying to connect. That's the blue light.
Network connection succeeded.
Awesome. Alright, not sure if you're going to be able to see that or not, but it has a perfect view of across the street. I'm going to have to play around with this tracking where it'll track like a car or whatever, and I believe, yeah, I've got a handheld camera here. Yeah, I can pan and zoom right here. Wow, that is really cool. You can tell I'm not real good at this. I got it aimed at the ground right now. Alright. Panning up. There we go. I hope you're seeing that. Alright, oops. It takes a little while to respond because it's going through your cell data. It's not like it's connected by a cord or anything, but that is really cool. Alright, I like this a lot. Alright, we're going to do another video. I'm going to get this hooked up so I can use this on my computer. And we're going to hook this up right on this little barn right here. We're going to put it exactly 10 feet off the ground like they say. And we have a road going along the other side of the barn there, and the road going along the front. I want to be able to see everything that's on both of those roads, and from there, that's it right there, I'll be able to see the back door over here as well. Yeah, that's really cool.